Hello, welcome to the Cyber Notes Cast, our podcast by the cybersecurity company Hasagura, and this content channel is dedicated to presenting the best articles taken from our blog. And today we're going to talk about an overview of essential certifications for CISOs. Was our content relevant to you? Then share it with someone also interested in the topic. In the world of cybersecurity, the role of a CISO is crucial in protecting data and sensitive information. To excel in this career, it is necessary to have certain certifications, including Certified Information System Security Professional, CISSP, Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, and Certified Information Security Manager, CISM. Read our article and learn more about these and other important certifications. The role of a CISO has been gaining increasing importance in companies, especially with the rise of cyber threats. These professionals are responsible for information security and ensuring that technologies for this purpose are functioning correctly within the organization. However, to hold this position, it is necessary to have the appropriate certifications in cybersecurity. These certifications ensure that professionals have the ability to manage and lead teams, as well as implement and maintain cybersecurity frameworks. In this Cyber Notes Cast episode, we will explore what a CISO is and what their main responsibilities are, as well as the necessary certifications for this profession and the importance of each one. For better understanding, the content will be divided into the following topics. 1. CISO role. What is it? What are the main requirements? 2. What is a CISO certification? 3. Which certification is most valuable for a CISO? 4. 3 top CISO certifications. 5. Other important certifications. 6. About Hasagura. 7. Conclusion. Enjoy this Cyber Notes Cast episode. 1. CISO role. What is it? What are the main requirements? The CISO is the executive responsible for ensuring that the company's information is protected against cyber threats. It is a leadership position, and the main responsibilities include directing and managing information security teams, developing security strategies, implementing security policies and processes, and ensuring regulatory compliance. To become a CISO, one must possess a set of technical and managerial skills. The main requirements include knowledge in information security, experience in team leadership, project management skills, and knowledge of cybersecurity regulations and frameworks. 2. What is a CISO certification? CISO certifications are a way to demonstrate skills and knowledge in cybersecurity. They typically require candidates to have a certain level of education, professional experience, and pass specific exams. Certifications are an important form of professional development for those wishing to pursue a career in cybersecurity. They prove that professionals possess the required skills to assume and be effective in their role. 3. Which certification is most valuable for a CISO? There are different valuable certifications in cybersecurity, depending on the professional's responsibilities, industry segment, region, and other specific factors. However, some of the commonly valued certifications include CISP, CISO, CISM. 4. 3 main CISO certifications. CISP, CISO, and CISM are some professional certifications in information security, each with its own focus and requirements. There are others targeted at specific segments, however, in general terms, these are the main ones. Here's a summary of the key points for each one. CISP, Certified Information System Security Professional. Offered by the International Information System Security Certification Consortium, ISC2, CISP is designed to assess and validate a professional's experience, skills, and knowledge in cybersecurity. Candidates must have at least 5 years of full-time experience in the field or 4 years plus a related degree, and pass an exam covering 8 core areas of information security. CISP holders are highly valued by employers and often hold leadership positions in cybersecurity. This certification is valid for 3 years and requires continuing education credits for renewal. CISO, Certified Chief Information Security Officer. Offered by EC Council, CISO validates and assesses the CISO's experience, skills, and knowledge in leadership and management of information security. To achieve the certification, professionals must have at least 5 years of full-time experience in the role, including 3 years in a leadership position, and pass an exam covering 5 domains, including governance, risk management, and leadership skills. CISO holders are highly valued by employers and often hold executive positions in cybersecurity. This certification is valid for 3 years and requires continuing education for renewal. CISM, Certified Information Security Manager. Offered by the Information Systems Audit and Control Association, ISACA, this certification assesses and validates the know-how, skills, and knowledge of a CISO in management. To obtain CISM, at least 5 years of experience in information security, including 3 years in a leadership position, and passing an exam covering 4 domains involving risk and incident management, as well as governance, are required. CISM holders are highly valued by employers, prioritized for leadership positions, and entrusted with developing and implementing effective security strategies and managing teams in this area. This certification is valid for 3 years and requires continuing education for renewal. CISM is internationally recognized and considered one of the most valuable certifications in the field of cybersecurity. 5. Other important certifications. Information security certifications are essential for professionals who want to stand out in the job market and enhance their skills in the field. There are several important certifications for CISOs, such as the Global Information Assurance Certification (GIAC), ISC2 Systems Security Certified Practitioner (SSCP), and Certified in Risk and Information Systems Control (CRISC). Each of them encompasses a significant part of cybersecurity in different aspects, which are detailed below. JOC, SANS, Global Information Assurance Certification. JOC is issued by the SANS Institute, a cybersecurity training and certification organization. It focuses on hands-on testing within the field and assesses professionals' practical skills in identifying and exploiting security vulnerabilities in systems and networks. There are over 30 JOC certifications covering various areas of cybersecurity, such as penetration testing and incident response. To obtain this certification, candidates must complete specific SANS training courses and pass a rigorous exam. Certified JOC professionals are in high demand and often hold cybersecurity positions in organizations of all sizes and sectors. SSCP, ISC2 System Security Certified Practitioner Certification. The SSCP certification is issued by ISC2. It is designed for cybersecurity professionals who want to demonstrate knowledge and skills in areas such as network security, risk management, encryption, and access controls. To obtain this certification, candidates must have at least 1 year of experience in one or more of the 7 areas of the ISC2 Common Body of Knowledge, CBK. Additionally, candidates must pass a rigorous 125-question exam covering all areas of the ISC2 CBK. Certified SSCP professionals are typically employed in cybersecurity roles such as analysts, engineers, system administrators, and auditors in this field. CRISC, Certified in Risk and Information Systems Control. The CRISC certification is issued by ISACA. It is intended for cybersecurity professionals who want to demonstrate skills and knowledge in identifying, assessing, and managing cybersecurity risks within an organization. To obtain this certification, individuals must pass an exam and demonstrate at least 3 years of experience in a minimum of 2 out of the 4 CRISC domains, which include risk identification, assessment, response, and monitoring. Certified CRISC professionals are typically assigned roles such as security or risk managers and information security officers. 6. About CISO. At CISO, our mission is to eliminate the abuse of privileges in organizations worldwide and help our clients achieve digital sovereignty. We provide privileged access management (PAM) solutions and have a presence in over 55 countries today. We believe that cybersecurity is a fundamental right and are committed to promoting the security, prosperity, and independence of our clients. 7. Conclusion. In this Cyber Notes Cast episode, you have seen that the CISO is an executive responsible for protecting company information against cyber threats, requiring technical, leadership, and managerial skills. Certifications for CISOs are an important way to demonstrate skills and knowledge in cybersecurity, proving that professionals have the requirements to assume and be effective in their role. There are different certifications in cybersecurity, such as CISSP, CISO, and CISM, which are highly valued by employers, and their holders often occupy leadership positions in cybersecurity. CISP, CISO, and CISM are the main CISO certifications, each with its own focus and requirements. They have a validity period and require continuing education for renewal. Other important certifications in information security include JOC, CRISC, and SSCP. Thank you very much for listening. I look forward to seeing you in the next Cyber Notes cast.